we're gonna pull Ubuntu. Okay, so let's do this. All right, so I'll do this Docker image. um, oh, okay, so let's do this Docker image prune, and this is this is a live demo of how to use help. Okay, so dash dash all, not just all. So I want to delete all my existing images right now. You don't have to do this. And yes, this is something you should be very careful using in production environment, especially, or any like real life scenario. Okay, you see, I just reclaimed 460 megabytes of disk storage. That's why we should be careful using Docker. Okay, hold on a second. So in that case, then can you try the same thing, sudo docker ps, see that if that works?
Okay, let me try. Yeah, that worked. Thank you.
Yeah, because you are not your Docker user is not added to Docker group as a sudo user. That's why it's happening. So just yeah, just do that.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Terminal.